Welcome to the series Georgian Folklore. I'm Gia Bagashvili, its author and your host. In this series, we explore the history of Georgia, its rich cultural traditions, and unique polyphony. The national identity of Georgians, our history, culture, customs, and way of life is deeply tied to the country's ancient winemaking tradition. Georgia is the oldest winemaking region in the world, with an uninterrupted history of viticulture stretching back over 8,000 years. Thanks to the country's unique climate and diverse terrain, more than 500 varieties of cultivated grapevines grow here, an incredible number for such a small territory. This abundance and diversity of grapes strongly support the belief that Georgia, nestled in Caucasus, is indeed the ancient cradle of the grapevine. Today, it is widely recognized by the global scientific community that the earliest evidence of winemaking has been found on Georgian territory. From here, the knowledge and practices of viticulture spread across the world, leaving a lasting impact on agriculture, human culture, biology, medicine, and the development of civilizations. These conclusions are supported by both archaeological discoveries, such as wine vessels and tools, and archaeobotanical evidence, including ancient grape remains. Images shown here include archaeological artifacts dated to these early periods, further supporting Georgia's foundational role in viticulture. The theory that Georgia is the birthplace of wine was already present in international scholarship by 1989, when renowned author and wine historian Hugh Johnson included it in his influential book, The Story of Wine. Based on Johnson's work, the Vinopolis Museum was established in London, where Georgia was recognized as the earliest known center of viticulture and winemaking. The very first exhibition hall, titled The Cradle of Wine, was dedicated to Georgia as the birthplace of wine.
Salchina la sadore
Georgia's title as the cradle of wine was later supported by Dr. Patrick McGovern, a leading researcher of wine history from the University of Pennsylvania. In his book, Ancient Wine, Dr. McGovern reinforced Georgia's position as the birthplace of winemaking, grounding his research in archaeological findings, especially the study of ancient grape seeds. One of the most significant discoveries was made in Shulaveri, in southeastern Georgia, where a grape peep dating back to the 6th millennium BC was unearthed. It provides compelling evidence that the ancestors of modern Georgians were already cultivating grapes and making wine as far back as that time. This was Georgian folklore. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our channel and welcome to Georgia.